Right, you gotta open your mouth. You ready? Here you go.
Are you going to shoot the people that robbed Mr. Pine? Or did they shoot at you?
More. He'll let you know when he's done.
Would you like a close-up?
I can't see his mouth.
See?
Is he losing it?
Yep.
Hold that just a minute.
I'm taking a picture.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got him on video.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay, alright. Here we go. Here we go. You ready?
Still not too sure about him.
Yes, yummy.
More? More? Gotta open up. You gotta open up. Here it comes. Open up.
Yum. Yum.
Ready? Open up. There you go. Say, I just give Daddy a short window of opportunity. You ready? Open up. Wait. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah. There you go.
That might be enough pee for a while.
Yep.
You think that's enough? How much did he eat? A little bit.
Yeah.
Let's see if he won't. If he don't. More?
Not too sure about it now, are you?
More? More? Okay, he must be finished. Do we have a bottle for him?
I can make one up.
Wake him one up. Because sometimes we switch back and forth.
Okay.
But I think that's probably enough for him tonight. And say, Mama, we didn't get it all over us too bad.
Yep. Let me see you, Parker. Say hello, everybody. I tried peas.
Say hey.
I tried peas. I'm still thinking about them.